How to convert Wix website to WordPress. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to convert your Wix site into the WordPress.com. So it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and all you need to do, your first step, is to create an account on Wix.com and starting creating a new site. So just click on create new site and it's going to load a page where it's going to tell you that they have an AI technology that you can use to create a website. But we're going to set up without chat. Just click on it, and here you need to choose what type of website do you want to create. So for example, as an example, we are creating an online store today, online clothes store. Okay, so then click continue. It's going to load our dashboard for the Wix website. Now it's loading, as you can see. Okay, so our dashboard is ready. Now we need to create a name for our website. I'm going to name it example. Then click continue. And it's going to ask you about the online store. I'm just going to skip all these details to save your time. Okay, so then to continue to dashboard, we are all set. Everything is ready. Okay, so here is our dashboard. Here, if you want to import your WordPress, your Wix website to the WordPress, you need to connect a custom domain. So to connect a custom domain, you need to upgrade your plan. So in future in the video, I'll show you what are the upgrade plans. As you can see, there are 50% of discounts right now for all the plans, but let's check what we need to do. So you just need to create your new website, customize the template, pick a template. For it, we are going to see now a browser of the templates. As you know, Wix is offering us a lot of templates that are free and ready to use, and all of them are beautiful, and you just see here and choose by your heart what you really like. For example, I would click on this one, then just click on edit, and it's going to load a dashboard for your website. Okay, so it's preparing our website. It's going to load the editors page for it. I'm going to show you right now what we can do with it. So I have a video on how to edit a template, what are the options, what elements you can add here, how you can customize the template. If you want to see it, please check my channel and see the video. Okay, so as you can see, here is our website. So when you are ready editing it, just click on publish. It's going to be so as you can see, you here need to connect your own customized domain. So choose a domain before you publish, but I'm going to choose a free wix.com domain right now. So I just click save and continue. It's in the process of the saving, and in seconds it's going to be live. So just wait a bit for it to go live. Usually it costs us the seconds, so we need to wait a bit for it. Okay, so our website is saved, and we have okay, it's now saved. Now it's published. Congratulations, your site is published and live online. So you can click on view site. As you can see, I have here, this site was designed with the Wix.com website builder. Create your website today. So this thing we see is because we have a free variant of our plan of Wix.com. So as you can see, we have a link, Laura Piano USA.wixsite.com. it's not really a custom one, it's the domain of wixsite.com. So all you need to do is to copy a link for your website and then go to the WordPress. So here I have already made an account, so here you just add new site and connect it. So just so as you can see, there are a lot of variants what domains we can choose, but I'm not going to choose them right now. I'm just going to back. So as you can see, I have the page, it's free. So I'm going to click on it, launch site. It's going to, so we need to skip purchase. We need to skip the plan if you don't want to do anything. So just there is a free plan, so keep this plan. I'm going to show you just an example how to connect your Wix website. So here on the WordPress dashboard, you need to go to the tools. No, you need to go to the plugins. Sorry, just okay. So here we can see the plugins of the WordPress already. So here in the tools, you need to click on import, and here it's going to ask you from what website you want to import your contact. So just click on wix.com and here just paste your website and then click continue. It's going to load a bit and it's going to show us what we are going to do. So as you can see here, the error 403 forbidden. So we cannot see our website because we have a free plan domain. If we have connected it to the custom domain, we would see a picture of our website. So then just click yes, start import, and your Wix website is going to be imported on wordpress.com. So it's really easy to do, and I'm right now going to show you how to upgrade your plan. So here 50% off upgrade, you can see the discounts of wix.com. So I'm going to show you quickly the plans that wix.com is offering us. The first one is light, it costs 13 euro. Then the core one with the 50% discount, it costs right now as a light one for 30 euro. Next one is the business one, I would recommend it to you, it costs 20 euro per month. And the last one is business elite, it will cost you 89 euros per month. Okay guys, so I hope you have known something new from my video. So if so, leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.